Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This was last week and it was the day that it was Mabel's first time up on the rockery. And she was with her friends, Tigger here and Scoots. Now for those of you that are new here, next to my driveway is this rockery. And all of my cats love it. All of my cats have come to me as kittens, as rescues. And they all find this rockery, but they all find it at their own pace. Mabel is the last one. Now, she was with her friend, as I say, Scoots and Tigger. This is Mabel. Mabel's blind. Scoots is blind, Tigger can see. But they've all become great friends, the three of them. And I'm glad she was with those two. I did try putting Mabel onto the rockery myself, and she panicked. She didn't want to be there, and I lifted her off. This was a couple of weeks ago. I don't know how old Mabel and Scoots and Tigger are, but they're of a similar size. Maybe they're a similar age, but it's just they've got a great friendship. And it's always wonderful to see them play. You know, it's only really the blind cats that use. I have a bougainvillea hedge that runs almost the length of the rockery, but the blind cats have found a way in from one end and they use it as a run through to the other end. Bougainvillea is not forgiving as a shrub, but I don't know how they've done it. Now and again, I will put the camera up under the bougainvillea to film them. I can see what I'm doing. It's not easy for me. So for the blind kittens and cats to run up and down there and play underneath it, that's impressive. So Mabel still hadn't taken the chance yet. She was still on the driveway. There she goes. And Scoots finds her. It was only a short visit onto the rockery for her, but it was a start, and she'll be able to. She'll have the confidence to go up there again in the future, just like when she went into the garden after all those weeks. Now she's in and out the garden all the time. The black cat down there is Momo. She's blind. But Momo is older. So in no time at all, she's exploring the rockery.
Well, yeah.
But she's with her friends, so she's fine. Hope you've all enjoyed the video, everyone. And as usual, we will all see you all again a bit later.